Hello, Nicole. Are you ready?
Yeah.
How are you?
Good.
What's your name?
Nicole.
How old are you?
I am 23.
Where are you from?
From USA.
Where were you born?
Virginia.
Where do you live?
Korea.
Are you single?
Yes.
Are you married?
No.
Do you like children?
I love children.
What do you do?
I am a figure skater.
Do you have any siblings?
Only one.
What's your hobby?
I just do figure skating.
Are you happy?
Yes.
What's your favorite color?
Pink.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had no breakfast.
What's your blood type?
Type A.
What's the last book you've read?
Me Before You by Jojo Moyes.
What's the last movie you've seen?
Spider-Man.
What time do you usually get up?
I get up at 7 a.m.
Do you exercise?
Yes.
What time do you usually go to bed?
2 a.m.
How often do you drink alcohol?
Almost every day.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
What's your favorite drink?
Soda.
What was your major in university?
Fine arts.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 3.
How was the weather today?
It's very hot.
Can you cook?
Yeah.
What are you going to do today?
I'm gonna go home and sleep.
What are you doing now?
I'm talking to you.
Where would you like to travel next?
Home.
What did you do last night?
I watched the movie Spider-Man.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to go figure skating.
What sports can you play?
I can figure skate, play volleyball, taekwondo, and kumdo.
Can you do me a favor?
Yes.
Could you lend me $100?
I don't have $100.
How are you feeling?
Pretty good.
Are you tired?
A little.
Are you hungry?
No.
Do you like me?
Sure.
Do you love me?
No.
Have you ever gone bungee jumping?
No, and I don't want to try it, sorry.
Could we have lunch together one day?
Maybe.
Have you ever been to France?
Yes, I have.
How long does it take for you to get to work?
About 20 minutes to 30 minutes.
How do you get to work?
By a subway.
How often do you ride the bus?
Pretty often.
Are you sick?
No.